I've just slept in the Queen's bed.
It was in this hotel in Fiji, Suva, the Grand Pacific Hotel, where Queen Elizabeth II stayed in 1953 and again in 1973.
For a destination like Fiji, a typical sand, sea, sun destination, what else is there? Well, there's the indigenous culture, but there's also the colonial culture. I'm here in front of the Grand Pacific Hotel. The Grand Pacific Hotel was built in 1914 by the Union Steamship Company. Essentially, it was an accommodation to accommodate cruise ship passengers who were traveling across the Pacific. The hotel went through many ownerships. It closed in 1992, but reopened for the 100th year anniversary in 2014. Pacific Hotel has had some famous guests. Apart from Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip, Sir Charles Kingsford Smith also stayed here. In fact, on his first trans-Pacific flight from Australia to the US, he stopped here. He landed his plane on Albert Park behind me, a well-used sporting field that is named after Queen Victoria's husband, Prince Albert. Other guests who have stayed here is some famous authors, James Michener, Somerset Maugham, and most recently in 2018, the Dutch and Duchess of Sussex, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle stayed here. The original design of the hotel meant the hotel rooms are like the staterooms on a cruise ship, on the original cruise ships. So it was like the passengers didn't feel like they were actually on land. One of the rooms is called the Queen Elizabeth Suite because Queen Elizabeth stayed in this room when she visited in 1953. Come and let's have a look at her room. The whole place is covered with old photos from the time when it was first built in 1914 and especially focusing on the royal visits in 1953. Come and let's have a look and see if Her Majesty is in bed. I hope you're dressed. So here's the Queen Elizabeth suite. On the left here we have the throne room, which I've affectionately called it. Which opens up into the suite. Again, the view of Albert Park on the balcony. Let's go and see if she's in bed. This is the Royal Queen Elizabeth suite. She's not here at the moment. There's only a 66-year difference between when she was here and when I stayed here. I know they would have changed the sheets in the intervening 66 years. One of the amazing things about the Grand Pacific Hotel is its location, situated on Suva Harbour. Amazing views in the evening, in the day, whenever it's nice. You can see the hills, Island of Benga in the background, and the hills down in Bitty level.
Don't forget to like this video and click on the Travel Professor icon to subscribe to all future videos.
So iconic is the Grand Pacific Hotel that it's even on the $10 note.